After Effects Power Play course assignment 1 take 6. Hello everyone. I'm going to teach you how to do this. So when you open After Effects, it's something open like this. So you open a new project, and when you open a new project it looks like something from space station, right? So what you need to do at first, you open a new composition. So I'm giving this name is assignment 1 Gen 2 volume 2. Okay, when you are opening composition, you can select what type of resolution you want, and you can choose the frame rate. So it depends on the frame rate how smooth your animation or your design, your After Effects motion design can be. It depends on that. And resolution, I will put it on quarter because my machine is not so powerful. So I don't like this pixelated area. What I will do is, from this portion you can add new and go to solid. I will add a yellow solid. Here goes yellow solid. So I need an Upwork logo. Let me import that Upwork logo file from assignment Upwork logo. If I want to see, I need to drag the Upwork logo from there to the composition. Now, oh my god, where's my Upwork logo? I cannot see. So why can't I see the upper logo? Because it After Effects work like in layer. If you look at burger from the top, you cannot see the patties inside, right? So it's something like that. You are watching it from the above, like from the top. So I can, that's why I cannot see the patty. I mean Upwork logo. So I will drag it to the front. Now I can see the Upwork logo. I can scale it from here, like transform scale this. I can scale it from here. I can scale it with the selection tool also. So with a clicking V, you can turn on the selection tool and you can drag it here. Okay. Why is it working like this? Okay. Slow down. So if I need to maintain the ratio, what I will do, I will press Shift and then I can maintain the ratio while scaling up. So that's how I can use the selection tool while scaling up. So now what I need to do is I need to bring the shuriken. So here if you hold here, like left click and hold, you can see the all the tools here. So I will bring star tool from here. I have drawn a star, so you can change the color from here. I will keep as it is. I will press V to turn on the selection tool. What I need to do is, like, it will come from nothing, will go to nothing, and on the way it will like reveal the upward logo. It will move like this, like a shuriken does, but it does not look like shuriken, right? So it has 5 points, like these are the points, right? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So shuriken does not have 5 points. Shuriken has only 4 points, like this, right? But shuriken does not even look like this. Shuriken almost look like this sharp you have seen in the anime. What I need to do is I need to keyframe it. So let's see the project I was working on. So how long is it? 2 seconds long. So let me give you the idea of how second works here. So at the beginning we have chosen 24 frame per second. In here also 24 frame means 1 second. Let me show you this. See, if I zoom it, you see 1 second, 1 second. Now you can see frame. See, 12 frame. 12 frame means half of a second. 1 frame means 1f means 1 second. Like total 24 frame in here. So I will need only just this part, 2 second part. So what I will do, in the beginning I will put B, and I want this whole scene to end in 2 seconds. So I will put N here. See, now it will only go, the playhead only goes around 2 seconds. Now I need to add keyframe. I will click Alt P. In the beginning it created a keyframe, and in the end I will also again click Alt P. It will create another keyframe, but I want this shuriken to be there in the end in 2 seconds, and I want it in the beginning here. See, here to here. Okay, but I don't want it like this. So what I need to do, obviously rotate. So if I want to rotate, I need to put a keyframe again. If I select it and click on Alt R, it will create a rotation keyframe. And if I put again here in the end Alt R, it will create another rotation. So what I need to do is rotate it, like move it. What I will come here what I will do is I have pressed U. It actually open up the keyframe you are watching. In here, I wanna rotate it 6 times. I want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I want to. Okay, okay, okay. As you can see, it's rotating abnormally. Let me bring it here. So it is rotating abnormally. So what we need to do is, let me go to the frame. To now we need to change the anchor. So what anchor does is, how can I show you? Suppose this is my object, and this is the anchor point. So if I rotate it, it will go around like this. So this is the, my hand is like anchor point, and if I move it, it will go like this. But if my hand stays here, and if I want to move it, it will go like this. So I will see the this part. That's how anchor works. Let's change the anchor to the center. So how can we change the anchor? This is our anchor tool. Let us drag it into the middle of the shuriken. Okay. Now see how it change. See? Oh my god, it's, I don't want it to move so fast. I want it to move a little less. So I'm changing the rotation. Let me change it to 220. What if I keep it to 2? Now more like it. Okay. So I want it to reveal while the shuriken goes. So if I want to do that, I need to mask. I need to mask the upwork. This is the beginning. When it goes here, I need the up to reveal. So what I will do is, I will turn on the pen tool. If you press G, the turn on the pen tool, I will mask it. Okay, you can drag the pen tool with the, by clicking, it will create a card line. So I want to reveal it with the shuriken. So where shuriken goes, but it comes before the shuriken comes, like it is still there. I want to get this mask, go with the shuriken. So what I need to do is, I need to click on this, click on the mask, and then like drag it here, so that now the mask is not visible. I will put a keyframe here, clicking on the clock icon. Now I will go at 8 frame. I want it to visible. So I'm doing a start again. Let me see this part. Okay, as we need to change it. If we are changing anything on this mask, it will add keyframe, because we add keyframe on the beginning. So okay, let's see how does it look. Cool, right? I wanted this to be like visible from nothing. Okay, Upwork logo. So I will add a opacity keyframe. In the beginning, if you use Alt T, it will add a opacity key. In the end, I want the opacity to be 100. So in the end also, I will press Alt T. In the beginning, what I will do is, I will turn the opacity to 0. So let's see. So what I will do is, in the 12 second, I think I want it to be more visible here. What I'm currently doing is pressing Alt and scroll button. What I'm currently doing is pressing Alt and scroll button, so that it's getting bigger and smaller, bigger and smaller, right? I think I will put the 100% opacity in the middle and 0% in the beginning, in the middle of this. Okay, now let's see. Everything looks so fine. Now let's see how to smooth it. Easy way to make it smoother is easy ease. Then also come here, like on the shape layer. I will press F9 for easy ease. See, okay, now I need to work with the keyframe also. After cleaning up my own mess, I think it looks better. So if you want to use mask where you are working with speed, just remember, before working with mask, work on speed. Just at first arrange the motion, then work with the mask. You won't have to face my problem. So to export it, if you have media encoder, or Command Alt M, it will turn on the media encoder, and from here the last one you are working will be in the last, not in the first. This is the thing I was working on. So I will click here to check where I want to export it. I want to export it in the assignment folder, and this is assignment 1 Gen 1 volume 2. Okay, fine. Video files MP4, yes, MP4, save. Now if I click on here, it will start rendering, and now voila. Let me see how it looks.